Tired of drowning in spreadsheets and struggling to make sense of your data? Let's bridge the gap and unlock the power of your information by connecting Google Sheets to Looker Studio in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, look for the big, inviting Create button in the top left corner and give it a click. From the drop-down menu, select Report. This will start a new, blank report for you. Now, you'll be presented with a screen prompting you to connect to your data source. Scroll through the list of connectors until you find Google Sheets. Click on Google Sheets. A window will pop up displaying all the Google Sheets files you have access to. Find the Google Sheet you want to connect and click on it. Make sure the sheet contains the data you want to visualize in Looker Studio. Ensure the correct sheet within your spreadsheet is selected, and check the box that says use first row as headers. If your first row contains column names, this helps Looker Studio understand your data structure. Finally, click the blue Add button in the bottom right corner of the window. A confirmation message will appear. Just click Confirm and there you have it. Your Google Sheet is now connected to Looker Studio. You can now start building interactive reports and dashboards using your spreadsheet data. Explore the various chart types and customization options to transform your raw data into compelling visualizations. And remember, your reports will update automatically as your sheet data changes. Enjoy.